Welcome to Baja! Life's pretty good down here in Baja. We're camped on the beach here at San Felipe, which is one of the most northern spots on the Sea of Cortez, on the east side of the Baja Peninsula. Little morning exercise activity for the little man. I'll tell you what, guys, we've been a lot of places now. I have never seen Brady so happy to be in a place. Between all the little sand dunes and all the fowl around the water, birds, seagulls, and so on, and the awesome sand under his feet. You know, that desert, you know, floor is not, that desert ground is not, it's not the best under his feet constantly. So he is just, I mean, it is from, you know, 7 a.m. until he goes to sleep, just non-stop. 70,000 steps yesterday, and we didn't even hike. Right, buddy? When you're done ambushing, you go in the water and then you come back and you check out the dunes more. I mean, it's insane. I didn't think the little man had it in him. Now that he's 6 years old, he's going to be 6 years old on January 26th. I mean, I didn't think he had it in him. I thought he'd slow down, but this is surprising. But we're right here. This is I mean, this is just spectacular, guys. It's about 73 degrees. It's 8 a.m. We just went in the water. I tell you, if the rest of Baja is like this, and it's only supposed to get better as we go south as far as the weather. You want to check out the video on Balandra Beach. Look it up on the internet so you can get excited already. Balandra Beach. It's just south of La Paz. And man, I've seen some pretty nice beaches, you know, Portugal and that, and Caribbean. But from what the internet shows, that is going to be something special. But here we are. We're just we're set up pretty well. Got you know, beach view, grill, table, pando, looking beautiful always. I mean, does this thing have a bad angle? You tell me. Which side do you prefer? I mean, it's just incredible. I'm so happy with it. The solar is just fantastic. We're gonna stay here about 3 days, 4 days. Internet isn't amazing here, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do about getting the videos up for you guys, but we'll figure it out. We always do. Gonna make a little salad today. The star of the show is gonna be some shrimp, but I'm gonna add a little bit of bacon too. I need to use it, and bacon makes everything better. Got to include Brady. I eat 3, Brady eats 1. Well, this is something you don't see every day. Take a look. Man, that is so freaking cool. You're still out there showing off. I love it. Baja. That's how we do it. That's Baja style right there. I'm gonna take some shrimp. Just add some heat to them. These are gonna cook in no time. So excited about eating shrimp. And that's it. These guys are done. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Okay. Such friendly people. So it's a little salad in a bag, just from Walmart. It's the best. It's the best secret ever. It keeps the salad, you know, the ingredients fresher longer. So just throw it right on in there. I'm even going to use the dressing and everything. So I got some croutons and some. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to use the dressing. I don't know what dressing it is. Let's see. It's ranch dressing. I'm gonna pass on the ranch dressing. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the croutons. Why not? And some seriously overdue avocados. Let's see if I can still use them. These need to be eaten. We're gonna see if I can salvage some of it. Just chop it up like this. Don't need to get fancy. So now we can add in the shrimp. Come here, buddy. Want a little bacon, baby? Come here. Where you at, Brady? Come here. Where are you, buddy? Come here. There he is. Come here, little guy. A little vinegar. Just don't do the ranch, guys. It just doesn't meet my criteria for healthy living. It's a little bit too much on the I don't know, just the ingredients they don't appeal to me. Just leave it at that. A little salt. Remember, there's bacon in there too, so you don't want to over salt it. And nice pepper here. I want some good pepper on this. There we go. We got ourselves a little salad here. Let's see what we got going on here. Mix it up really good. Really get everything. We want that vinegar to touch that cabbage and lettuce to bring out their natural sugars. I like to let my salads sit just a bit, just for a little bit, not too long. Taste for salt. Oh man, that is great. This is our first stop on our way to the very tip, Cabo San Lucas, and then back up north in Baja, California, in San Felipe. We'll see you on the next one.